Hey guys, we are back in Home Depot again, and we are trying to finalize a couple of stuffs. So the first one is gonna be the patio floor. And then we're gonna also look at the fireplace, like in exterior, and also a couple of other stuff. So let's see what options we have for the flooring of the patio. So this is the kind of stone that we are looking for the fireplace. These are called ledgers. So this is an Alaskan gray ledger. So for me, I personally like more white. So they said they have more options online. So we have to look at the options online and see. And look wise, I think it somehow mimics this look. So that's what our fireplace is probably gonna be. So yep, that's the update on the fireplace. We might look for different stone options, I mean like the color option, but this is the look that we'll probably go. No, I was thinking that gray and I think
for the fireplace, right?
Yeah, fireplace. So how much do you think it would cost us?
So yeah, I think we need around 80 square foot. So probably I think it'll be around 4
So what is the square foot on our
for the fireplace area.
fireplace?
That's what I think it's gonna be 80 square foot.
80. So it would be close to like $500.
Yeah.
Okay. But I think we have to look
500.
for other colors because I'm not really I don't like this gray color. It's too gray for our interior. It'll blend with the wallpaper.
Oh.
I want it to stand out, so I want more white in it.
Oh.
So now we are trying to find out the flooring, guys. So the person here said we should probably pick porcelain with
This gray.
no, but then we are having like a gray like a black thing on the top.
Yeah, so this will go.
What I am trying to say, Andra, we are gonna have a black on the top and then white bottom.
White will become dirty. I don't think it will work with white. Well,
So
somewhat like that.
So we are looking at these options, guys. I'm gonna show you. No, I just want it to be more white. Like this has got tones of gray.
Oh.
Even this has some texture. So what he's trying to say, Andra, the smoother the surface is, the easier it is to break.
Yeah.
So it has some texture on it. So these things are porcelain. So they don't break that easily.
And also the smaller the tiles,
It's easier to break, huh?
bigger tiles are easier to break.
What do you think about the top one?
Which one?
That one.
It's okay.
Trinity Ivory.
It's okay.
These things are difficult. He's telling it's smoother.
Yeah. I don't think we should go for those.
Even this is nice.
Yeah, that's nice.
I think I like this. It matches with our house color also. Like bluish white.
How much is that? Calcutta blue.
Yeah, it's nice. I mean, these things are $1, so it has to be around the same range.
No,
Huh?
it's available online.
See, I like that background. They have a picture of it. We'll
Hello?
probably go with our modern touch.
So I
So-
think this is better than that one, yeah?
See, this is what the kind of
Yeah, we
Electric.
don't need heat resistant on all. It's
yeah,
electric
it's
fire.
not heat. Yeah. No, I'm thinking like probably pure white or even a
Pure
shade,
white beda.
shade of
I think this
blue.
is good.
White with a shade of blue. Like, See, with the thing in this, look at the finish. So it comes with a shade of blue.
So we can, you think you can go ಇದು fireplace ಹಾಕೋಬೋದಾ?
I feel like it'll complement the complementary look that we have. But my question is, how will he make that rod, that wooden log that we have?
That will go into the wall.
How will it go into the wall? He's supposed to put it on top of it.
First the wooden thing will go, and around that we'll put the tile.
Oh, okay. But the thing for me, online, I don't know the texture. We have to see for other places in this town.
No, just order the ones that I wear.
But then there are no different options. All these have brown tinge. I want something with white and blue tinge. We'll see online. So yeah, guys, like the problem here is the selection is very limited, and the kind of interiors that we're thinking of doing, it has to complement blue and white. So we'll keep looking around and see what to do about it. So here we are trying to figure out the accent wall, the DIY stuff we might be doing, because those wall what do you call them, the wood art accent wall, like the panels are pretty expensive. So the other option that we have is we're probably gonna get stuffs like these and probably make that look. So I will attach a photo of that look so you'll have an idea as to what I'm talking. But yep, this is what we are looking at. So I have no idea how much we'll be able to do, because we have too many ideas and very less budget and resources. So that is what we are looking for now. So we are debating between finding the sheets versus actually doing a DIY. So good luck to us. No, what I'm trying to say is, this is not the design that I'm looking for.
Yeah, but
So in between there is white. So the look will not be there.
no, you
So
can paint it.
But I'll show you the photo that I'm looking for. It is a little different.
Probably they have it online.
Yeah, they have it online. We have to explore
Wall
that
panels.
option.
Decorative wall panels.
And I think these are not wood. They're wood.
No, they are not. Cardboard type in.
Yeah, card. God. I think we have to see a lot of. No, I think we have to see a lot of YouTube videos and see where people are getting those panels from for a lesser price.
Probably you might need
What?
15 of these. 15
Yeah.
maybe 10 of these.
No, but then you have it even on the other side of the bedroom, like that small area.
Yeah.
And then we have to see online and check other places. So the next place that we have come, guys, is we are trying to see to extend the kitchen island, but it has to fall in within our budget. So we are trying to come here and see how much the slab might cost, and figure out if it falls in the budget. So if it falls in the budget, we would love to upgrade our kitchen island. So the ones that I like are pure white and either quartz or marble, in fact. So let's see what options we have. So these are the options that we have. I prefer more white, and I think these go by the grouping, which probably, I think it's superiority, like cost wise, A, B and C. So yeah, I think it's right there. So A is 62, B, so I think E is the most expensive one.
So, like $16 per square foot.
So what is the square feet you think we need?
Like I think it's like 12 into 4 and that kind.
See, a lot of people also do this design.
360 square foot.
360?
Probably, no.
I think even keep 500 on. No, 500 is too much.
No, 15 times 4
That's
is 60 square foot.
what? We just have 60 square foot
Yeah.
on that?
Right now it's even lesser. But it's gonna be more.
Yes, just keep like worst come worst 150. Like if you're extending on both broadening and
No,
lengthening.
150 would be too much. 150 is like the size of a room.
Okay, then probably like
I think
100.
60 is
100.
not actually. Right now we have like some 30 to 40.
Okay. So see what this is another design
Yeah.
where it's like completely covered on all the sides. It looks more elegant. No, but then it's not like he said. It's not going to be expensive. Actually, don't you think?
So
The
60
slab?
times 60 is gonna be like around 4,000 for the slab. We'll take measurements. I don't even think it's 60.
Yep. But what in case like you
Right now we
like?
only have 2.5 feet width. And the length is like, I think it's about 8 foot right now.
Okay, but my question is, if you liked something in this, pick one, and we'll probably check the prices and see where it is coming. So basically, A's, B, C, and D.
Which one is?
If they've written here, A's, B's.
Oh.
So A is the one which is the least. It's the cheapest. And B, I think the E is the most expensive one. There is G and F as well.
So all the white.
Oh, hey, listen, this is quartz.
Yeah, you want more only
I was looking for marble.
No. Marble will get dirty. Nobody uses marble.
Granite? No. It's
We already
cheaper.
have granite, no?
So, what is that?
The granite and
See, ultra durable, it says they are the premium. They're also.
granite.
Huh?
This is quartz.
This is also quartz.
Yeah.
I think that is quartz as well. Like, ultra durables or quartz. I think they're the elite.
Different color.
I think they're different. I mean, it's not that different, but I think this is the most low maintenance, stain resistant. But if you liked a color, what color would you like?
You wanted whitish.
That's what I liked.
So that is 123.
Everything which is expensive looks nice. So coming to lights, in the dining room, I'm actually looking at it online, but I feel like looking at it in person will give me a different perspective. So I am actually gravitating towards that, this light especially. So I was just thinking we can put a element of brass in there. You want brass or you want to keep it white?
But nothing has brass now in our house.
But then I'm telling you now, I'm going to put more Indian thing into it, Allah. So it might look good, but white is, you can never be wrong.
Brass is good. Yeah.
Because I'm putting a bit of Indian element, Allah. So that is like, I think it looks black on phone, but then it is actually brass. So
Those ones are good, the small ones.
which one? Where they're like balls.
Mm.
They're for those high ceilings where you drop it off.
Yeah, that's true.
So you really don't like this type?
Which one? Wooden.
Wooden. So This somehow brings that heritage of India, like
Yeah, actually, if
Village.
you're going for that, then go for it.
a village heritage.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking, because
if you're going for that, then go for it.
in our culture, guys, like wool is considered like we make everything out of wool. So I was just trying to see if those components I actually add more into the theme of like our Indian culture. So that's another option.
This one is better than this.
No, I'm just saying the concept of wool.
Yeah. It's good.
Yeah, it's jute. Sorry, that is jute. But online you have better designs. Yeah, see right now the ones that I have, right, that I've looked at is something like this, more dome shape and white color. So you can never go wrong with white. It's the safest one. But if you want to experiment, we can look into that option as well. So we will keep you posted, guys. So right now we're looking at the lights for the dining room. What?
You see this big fan?
See, I like this design.
The 3 leaves.
The 3 leaves.
We can put it in the patio.
The patio. It looks more
And it's
stylish.
big as well. It'll cover. It'll give a lot of wind.
Online you have bigger panels. I think we should look into that option first.
Yeah.
But instead
But
of
this
those
is big
five, I want this one.
Yeah, this is big enough.
No, Chanda. If you have a very big panel, even the slight motion will give a lot of air.
Yeah, but this is big. This fan is big,
No, have these long ones. You remember, like the long leaves. So this is the design I like. What's the cost on it? 200. Oh, okay.
It's okay. It's not that bad.
Huh?
It's okay. It's not that bad.
But does it come with a light?
No, you don't need light.
Because we have recess, Allah?
Yeah, you
okay.
don't need light in the coach.
Okay. Yeah, I think I like that one.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys.
See, actually, it is indoor and covered outdoors.
Yeah. But I think we have to talk to the contractor about all this. I think he's just going to give us a basic one.
No, but the fan we should get.
No, that is covered with him.
He's
going to put a more basic one. We have to tell him we want an upgrade.
Need to talk to him before that. Yeah.
He's just going to put a basic one because he's given a plug point, right?
He's just giving a plug point. No, he's not going to put the fan. If we get the fan, then the electrician will put it.
Okay.
Because the fan is not.
So I think this is the only thing that we both have agreed on up until now is the fan design. So this is the one that we kind of like. The rest we haven't agreed on yet. So we have to figure it out. So we are out of Home Depot right now. But I feel like we have to look at other places also. Do you kind of know any other place where?
Lowe's.
Lowe's, correct. I think we should go to Lowe's once and come.
Yeah, they're closed now.
Not now, like eventually.
Yeah, eventually.
So I think we should actually go to Lowe's once and have a look. We don't have it in our town, but we just have to drive a couple of, distance from here and see. So I think probably tomorrow morning we can just go and have a look at Lowe's and see what other options we have. So we have to figure it out pretty quick because in the next couple of weeks he's going to be done with everything and I have to at least the fan, the lightings has to be taken care of. And the interior can take a little time. Probably we're going to get it done in September. But right now, once he's done, the fan and the lighting has to go. So today I think we have to look online. I have zeroed on a couple of them, but we still have to look online and kind of we have to finalize. So that's it for today, guys. We're probably gonna pick up some Chick-fil-A, head home, and probably figure out what needs to be done in terms of lighting and fan. Please like, share and subscribe. Join us on this journey. this is the first time kind of like we are, you know, remodeling to the way we want. And yeah, and the next one I will talk about the vastu that I was, you know, putting in mind, and how I want to integrate the vastu in our house. For our God's grace, like, you know, it has been integrated, but let's see what extra we need to be done. So bye guys, and like, share and subscribe please.